Oh, g'day there. This mouse. I love this mouse. This mouse is bloody old though. Logitech G700. This thing came out in August the 5th, 2010. 10.5 years ago. Wow. She's a crusty old mouse, but she still works pretty damn well. I love it so much that I just don't want to get rid of it and get a new mouse. It's got your 4 side buttons, 3 side top buttons there, and it does that lovely Logitech thing where your scroll wheel is your clickety clack and, you know, and then you can press this button here and whee! She just goes flying. Yeah. So, love it. Great mouse, don't want to get rid of it. And one of the things that I love the most about this mouse is you can unplug it. But why would you want to unplug the mouse? It doesn't work anymore. Well, let me show you. Not only is it wired, but she's wireless as well. Holy Jesus Christ. Yeah. And look, now we're wireless. We're freaking fanging along. We can scroll, we can whee. There is a problem with this mouse, and this problem's gotten worse and worse over the years. It's gotten to the point where I'm like, nah, gonna have to do something about it. And what is the problem? The problem is the middle click doesn't work properly anymore. See? And also for games, some games I play rely on the middle click for like targeting enemies and shit. But yeah, so middle mouse click don't want to work anymore. Right click works, left click works. No. And I don't really want to spend money to buy a new mouse when literally everything else about this mouse works just fine. We're going to have to find out what switch that little middle mouse click uses and buy it and then replace it. And after a bit of research, it turns out that this little bugger right here, this is the switch. This is the little bugger. It's a little SMD jobby, and for those of you who don't know, it's a surface mount device, SMD. Not sucking mud. All I want is pack of 5, shall we? Yep, and go. Oh, bloody hell, that was quick. Look, it didn't even come from Mouser, it came from Ducky Key. Oh, cheers, Ducky Key, you're a legend. Let's get started, shall we? Alright, as with most of these things, there's usually screws hidden under here. There's the screw. Ta-da! Pop him sticky side up. And, yeah, by the way, supervisor, he's here. He's having a bit of a nap, as most supervisors do. He's making sure I'm staying compliant. We'll get rid of this pad. Oh my god. Once again, doing this through the bloody viewfinder makes it so much more difficult. Alright, so, pads are removed and we've got ourselves a couple of screws. Professional quality screwdriver. Get that bad boy out. Pretty sure these are all the same length. Oh my god. Don't run away. We can't have that. Ooh, yeah. Wow, she's crusty. Ho ho. Oh god. Fingers are freaking fat. I need to get that thing unplugged. Clearly I haven't been in here before, because look at that. That's delicious. This is years. I've never been in here before, by the way. This is years worth of fluff and crap. Mozzie! Fucking Mozzies! Urgh, die! You vile beast! I need tweezers. One moment. Tweezers acquired. Can you see? There we go. Oh, got him! Booyah! Put him off up there somewhere. Let's, want to put these screws in a safe place. Tape. Tape fixes everything. Look at that. Uh-oh. There should be a 4th piece. Where'd that go? Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Where did that 4th freaking fuck? Well, that's no good. Maybe you saw it. Can you tell me where it went? Did you see it? Where did you go, you cheeky pilgrim? I think we should just continue, despite already having a casualty. Alright, back to this. Let's clean her up a little bit. There's just so much creep. Oh my god, look at it all. This is what's building up inside your mice there, ladies and gentlemen. Filth. Filth and grot. I'm glad I didn't open this beforehand, because I'm seeing this literally the first time you guys are as well. So it makes the reaction more genuine. And you and me both get to see firsthand kind of horrors that lurk within an old, well-used mouse. So yeah, this has been my mouse exclusively for that entire time. And I've had desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and I've used this mouse for all of them. And that's part of the reason why I love it, because I can leave the cord plugged in at home on my desktop computer, and when I go out, it's already got the wireless receiver in it. So all I have to do is just bang her on in and away you go. Oh, Mozzies, look at that little shit. Urgh, look at all that, that's my blood. Why am I doing this outside? Oh, there you go, you can see the little ratcheting mechanism a little bit better there. Whee! Look at him go. Oh God, such a great idea, Logitech. Legends. Filthy, I know. This is what happens. Filth accumulates in life. That's why you gotta have a shower every day. Yeah, this isn't a cleaning video. Let's just keep going. So, the switch we want is underneath this wheel. So we need to get this off somehow. The question is, how? I see screws here on this bottom board, but I don't see any screws on the top board. Oh, that's your left and right click buttons, by the way. Nice Omron switches. Omron's good quality. Don't know if these little side buttons are Omron or not. How do we get you off? Let's take this screw out. What? Doesn't have a battery. How do you... What? Battery's unexpected. Pop this on our tape. Another screw just there. Oh, these are tight. Screwdriver's not very grabby. Not very clingy. Just like my ex. I mean, it kind of just... Is that a screw just there? That is. Oh, there's another screw there underneath the dust. Oh, grotty. So we need to get this plastic thing off first. I mean, the assembly is loose. Quite a complex plastic assembly though, isn't it? Watch, this is when I break it and I end up having to get a new mouse anyways. Loosen this a tiny squidge. Oh, did that do anything? Not really. I might have to consult the interwebs on this one. Because I really don't want to fuck my mouse up, yeah? I really like this mouse. Alright, turns out, there is this little plastic pin, right there, that pin. So we just need to pop him out and most of this assembly should just come right out. Yeah? Alright, hey, pop him over there. You stay, you're not going to go anywhere. We've already had one casualty. Alright, now with any luck. Oh, ho, ho, look at that. Beauty. Now check this out. This is smart. See how there's light going through the middle of that wheel? That's how this wheel knows, well that's how the mouse knows when it's scrolling. There is a LED right here and a light sensor right there. So what happens is the LED lights up and every time the light sensor detects the wheel, a shadow and then a light, it knows the wheel is moving. Now how it knows which direction it's going is actually beyond me. But you know, that's kind of how she's going. And that right there is our problem button. And look, she's covered in gunk. She is filthy. Oh my God, you look. Alright, let's get these screws out. You watch, we'll lose a bloody spring doing this. Gotta hold it at the right angle. Oh, come on. Don't be difficult. Why are you being difficult? You're loose. Come on here. There we go, beautiful. You stay there. Alright, these springs, yep, they are loose. Indeed, of course they are. Oh, look at that! Or maybe don't, because, you know, look at that filth! Oh my God, if you're squeamish, too late. We'll pop. Oh, no! Where did that go? It just went into the next dimension. Fuck! That's 2 casualties now. Oh, bugger! I'm probably never gonna find that again. Let's take care of this spring. Oh, fuck me dead. Gotta try and find this bloody spring. Yeah, wow, I am so freaking lucky to have been able to find that. There is a million different spots it could have ended up. So yeah, very lucky. Good thing the supervisor's still asleep, because otherwise he would have made me fill out an incident report form. Stay asleep. Alright, so once again, this is our problem child right here. No wonder why you failed, you poor bastard. I'd fail too if I was covered in grot for fucking years. Ugh, nasty. No wonder why the springs ran away too. They're like, freedom! I might be able to actually get cleaned. So, what we need to do is we need to expose the solder pads, which I'm sure they're under there somewhere. Then we need to desolder him. Oh. Nasty pasty. But yeah, let's have a look see. You can see the gold's worn down on it. Perform the old zoom maneuver. Oh, she still clicks. So yeah, it did still work. That's the thing. It was an intermittent work, but it wasn't, you know, very reliable. So let me actually get a multimeter and we'll see what the values are. Enter the Whoop. This is where I keep my hidden key to my chastity belt. I've always got this multimeter in the van because you never know when you need a probe a hoe. Alright, flicker over to resist heat and yep, resistance. The auto ranging. She's a bit slow on the but yeah, we'll get there. Let's pop her over. No. Oh, someone's not organized. Now, I can't see for shit because there's a big ass phone in the way. So the trick here is to get both the pads and then press the button. Ooh, pro moves. Oh, there's a Mozzie. No, not now. Get out of it. Alright, I'm not probing it properly. Oh my god. Oh my god, Julia. Alright, let's see what happens. Yeah, nothing. I don't know if it's because the switch is fucked or if it's because my probing is fucked. No. Oh, my finger's getting in the way. Let's bunch this in a bit, shall we? Jeez, Lewis Rosman, eat your heart out, eh? We don't want to stab it, we want to press it. Did I just fuck it? Yeah, I think I just fucked it. The dome's pressed in and isn't coming back out. Well, we knew the button was fucked anyways. Wow, that was a tremendous waste of time. Right, so, found our problem child. We gotta desolder that. Now, I have 3 different soldering irons. I've got a Heiko 888 FXD, but it doesn't have a fine tip. I also have a gas soldering iron, but again, doesn't have a fine tip. I do, however, have a fine tip soldering iron, but it's one of these cheap, nasty $5 untemperature regulated pieces of shit that run off of USB. Now, these things get a bad rap, you know? I mean, they're unregulated, the temps, so the tip, if you don't do anything with it, if you turn it on and just leave it, the tip will actually get so hot that it glows red, which for soldering, terrible, terrible, terrible. You'll kill your pads doing that and God knows what else. And also, because it's cheap and nasty, the little touch sensor that you use to turn it on doesn't work anymore. So I've had to put this wire on and then this wire touches the sensor and that makes it turn on. Not the best, but as long as it works. And I like it. I keep it because it's USB powered. You can almost always guarantee to be able to power it. If I don't have gas somewhere and I just need to do a quick, you know, LED strip repair jobby, this is great. So we're going to use that. It's got a fine tip. As long as I'm smart with desoldering things quick enough so that it doesn't, so the tip isn't allowed to get too hot, then she should be alright. Nah, shit, the supervisor's awake. Act like you're working. I mean, actually get back to work. Before he sees us slacking off. Put the beers away. Alright, enter. I love this power bank. It's one of those. Don't actually, yeah, it's that. But this thing's great. What I really like about it is it's a USB power bank, but it also does 12 volts out. I mean, it even says it right now. 5 to 13 volts adjustable output. That is really handy. So that's why I like it. What I don't like about it is that it's not protected. So if you short out a USB port or short this out, it's dead. And there's no way you can repair it. At least no way that I'm aware of. So, oh, and another thing that I like about this is that it's powered by 18650s. Ah, so good. Now, why is that so good? Because it means it's essentially an endless power bank. If the battery starts running low on this, you just pull out the 18650s and put more fully charged ones back in and you're good to go again. It's brilliant. It was like 15 bucks from China. Actually, no, it's more like 20 bucks from China. I lied. Let's get this show on the road, shall we? And here's what I mean by that switch. Yeah, you just press that in and away she goes. All right, I guess we'll just have to use this solder from here. It's better than nothing. It's better than none. This does not want to go. Oh, fuck. Let's just take care of the other side. It doesn't help that I'm like off-centered. Oh, you're falling. Why would you fall? Don't do that. Stay. Don't go anywhere, please. We're not done yet. You son of a biscuit. You sit. Oh, fucking. That's not supposed to happen. That's not what this soldering iron's trying to do. Goodness. Let's try again. Melt the solder. Oh my god, yeah, she's rightly fucked now. We appear, we have entered the point of no return. Return? Oh, I think we're getting somewhere, boys and girls. Wait, are we? Did we fuck the pad? Kinda looks like we did. Oh, yeah! That's what I'm tickety tag wood talking about. Alright, so here's our problem child. Cool. This doesn't look good. Is that a fucked pad? Is there even a pad there? Fucked her in HD.